UCCTV and the Eastern Trends newspaper will be hosting UCCTV First Golden Melody singing competition. We welcome any eager contestants over the age of 14 to participate. Apply or inquire online at the UCCTV official website, the UCCTV Facebook page, or via telephone 801-928-5588, 801-928-5588. Registration forms can be found at all major Chinese restaurants or TV bars. Preliminary rounds will be held on May 7th and May 14th. Semifinals will be held on May 21st, and the championship will be held on May 28th. We welcome all friends and families to be there to support the participants. The venue information will be posted on the UCCTV official website. First place will receive 3,000 and over 5,000 in prizes. Second place will receive 2,000 and over 3,000 in prizes. Third place will receive 1,000 and over 1,500 in prizes. And fourth to 10th will receive over 1,000 in prizes. We welcome and encourage all participation and sponsorship from both individuals in the business of the UCCTV First Golden Melody singing competition. Together, we can promote a cultural exchange in Utah. Any sponsors will be featured on all advertisements, posters, websites, and in the venues. The competition will also be broadcasted on UCCTV and published in Eastern Trends newspaper. This is a great chance to promote your business. We thank you again for supporting our competition.